Introducing the TEKMAN Line Tensioner, the hassle-free solution to secure any bundle or load, or rig any hanging line effectively, safely, and quickly. There are two clever ways of using this tensioning device. One is for tying, and the other is for fastening. Wrap one end of the rope around the tensioner tail hook and tighten to lock onto itself as shown. Take the other end of the rope, wrap it around the load, and line the rope around the pulley. Pull the rope away from the line tensioner to tighten as required. Finally, wrap the rope one more time around the pulley and tuck the end of the rope under the locking tab to prevent the rope from slipping. Neat, handy, secure, and firm. Easy and tidy. Adjust to any length you want, and no need for scissors or knives to cut those hard to untie knots. Great for use outdoors as well as indoors. Ensure that load doesn't move on the back of your vehicle by anchoring it securely and safely. Easily tension a rope between trees for multiple uses while camping. Perfect for storing equipment up and out of the way or hanging tools in your garage or workshed. Whatever task required to secure a line or load, you don't need to be skilled at tying special knots. Now anyone can do it with ease, effectively, safely, and quickly with the TEKMAN Line Tensioner.